If anyone wants shift knobs, we have shift knobs. Take this over. The battery was disconnected. Where the wire was. Nothing. Oh! Yo, sweet! That's insane. So we pretty much wrapped it up. Installing the sub. It works. We wired up correctly. We didn't fuck it. Doesn't even... How many times are you gonna sit on it?
Somebody tried it.
Oh. That's what I was. Alright guys, if you don't already know, putting JDM speed bumper rubber bands on, or what's actually, no, they actually have names. Yeah, bumper quick release, that's what it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually install them, make sure it actually holds up. I got my drill and everything, so we're gonna do one side at a time. We're gonna start on this side and then skip to the other side, since this is gonna be the same process. It's not doing anything, is it?
Slowly but surely, dude.
Until we get the right tools, I'll tune you guys back in once this is all done. Because it's basically, it's simple, basic stuff, really. It's nothing rocket science. Alright, the weather is quickly changing on us. I'm gonna quickly trying to wrap this video up. Alright, we got the first piece on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the second one on, put the rubber band on, see how it looks. Quickly get the other side done, and then wrap up the video before it starts raining on us. Both bumper quick releases are now installed. This shit looks real JDM now.
We gotta do the freaking hood pins.
Yeah, I know. We got hood pins coming next. Yeah, there you go. Oh man, dude, I don't think it's your tie rod, it's your ball joint. Your wheels, every time you turn it, it pops out. Alright, well, that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. See ya.